Every year, solar projects are announced that never get built. Developers spend money, engineers create designs, permits are pursued, interconnection studies are completed, and then somewhere along the way, the project stalls or it dies completely. Now, sometimes that's because of financing, sometimes it's because of permitting, but sometimes it comes down to something much simpler: execution. Because designing a project is one thing, actually building it is something entirely different. Let's get into it. I've spent decades in the power generation industry. I've worked as an IBEW electrician and I've managed large power projects. And one thing I've learned is that most projects don't fail because the technology doesn't work. They fail because execution becomes harder than expected. Labor shortages, schedule delays, equipment issues, weather impacts, cost escalation. Every month the project slips creates risk. Financing assumptions change, labor costs increase, equipment pricing changes, and incentive deadlines approach. That makes investors nervous. And sometimes a project that once looked great on paper no longer makes sense in the real world. That's especially true today when electricity demand is growing rapidly and developers are under increasing pressure to get projects online faster. That's why deployment strategy matters. The fewer moving parts a project has, the fewer opportunities there are for something to go wrong. That's why the Maverick deployment approach by 5B stands out. See, traditional solar projects require thousands of individual components to be delivered, staged, assembled, wired, and installed in the field. Every step introduces labor requirements, schedule risk, safety concerns, and opportunities for delay. Maverick takes a different approach. Instead of shipping thousands of individual components to a site and assembling everything piece by piece in the field, the system arrives largely pre-assembled and pre-wired. That means less field labor, faster deployment, fewer touch points, less schedule risk, and fewer opportunities for delays. So what are we talking about? Well, the Maverick system offers deployment of over 1.5 megawatts per 40-hour week with a crew of just 3 to 4 people. The system also reduces on-site labor requirements by roughly 70% compared to traditional approaches. For developers and EPCs, that's a very different risk profile. It's no longer a simple question of what does it cost. The energy market is now many questions. Can I get this project built? Can I get it built on schedule? Can I get it online when the electricity is needed? Can I protect my project economics? Because a project that reaches commercial operation faster, starts generating revenue sooner, it reduces construction risk and creates fewer opportunities for unexpected problems. And in today's market, where demand for electricity is growing rapidly and labor remains a challenge, execution has become a competitive advantage. Reducing risk can be just as valuable as reducing cost, sometimes more valuable. The solar industry has already proven the technology works. The challenge is deploying projects quickly, efficiently, safely, and profitably. As electricity demand continues to grow, the winners aren't the projects with the best PowerPoint presentations. The winners are projects that can get built and connected to the grid first. If you're evaluating a utility-scale solar project and would like to explore whether the Maverick deployment approach could reduce project risk, improve schedules, and simplify construction, NXTGEN Clean Energy Solutions can help. Reach out to us. info@nextgencleanenergy.com. We'll be happy to evaluate your project and determine whether the Maverick solution may be a fit. Think about it. We'll catch you next time.